guys? Retro Django here. Welcome to part 2 of this Amiga 1200 that don't want to boot from the compact flash card. So I thought that, why not start with a recap job? As you can see here on part 2, the Amiga has been recapped. October 2022. Did it change anything? Absolutely not. Now, it doesn't hurt to recap a 30-year-old computer. So, that's what it is. That was one of the things that I was thinking about. Maybe the caps doesn't get juice enough, and that could make some issues here. That wasn't the issue. As you can see, let's try again. Now it's off, and now if I install the keyboard and I make a cold boot or hot boot or what's it called, Amiga control, whatever, do it a couple of times after it has been powered for 2 minutes, then the Amiga, without touching anything, then the Amiga will boot from the hard disk, from the compact flash card. But as of right now, when I do this, it doesn't work. Now, I hope that you have been watching part 1. Because if you haven't, then go back and take that video out. So, you guys, my subscribers, my viewers, you are amazing. You said a lot of things I should try. Most of you guys said, this cheap eBay compact flash card, they're garbage, throw them out. I tried different ones. You can see this is the cheap one, and I have this one, and I have what's it called, these SanDisk Ultra, different versions. I have a lot of, I took some of them from my other working, all driving, working Amiga 1200s, and this issue didn't disappear. It won't boot the proper way. So, another CF card, another IDE to CF adapter, no. So all you guys that has been writing to me that the issue was there, no. Some of you guys said recap doesn't repair anything. I mean, nothing. I mean, it's just a waste of time. And some said recap, maybe it will work. I don't know. I was just thinking it won't hurt. Why not just recap this old computer? My Amiga had no leaky caps, no nothing, and it has been on over 700 videos, and since 2018 I have used this Amiga 1200. Okay, hey, maybe it will boot now. Check this out. Work. No. Okay. So recapping didn't help either. What could it be? So I joined a new Amiga group on Facebook. Here is the name. I don't remember the full name. I shared my video part 1 in there. And Alan, he wrote something that I had no idea about. Now I'm gonna share this. Some of you guys will be angry and write, Retro Django hates Terrible Fire. Let me just stop you before you write that. I love all Terrible Fire products. I have reviewed a lot of them. I have nothing against them. But I want to show you something. I removed the Terrible Fire 1230. I also used the custom ROMs to boot with the onboard IDE. Yeah, I removed that one. And I'm gonna install this one. This is the ACA 1232N. You can't buy these anymore. This one is 68030 that runs at 40 megahertz. It has got 128 megabytes of fast RAM. And this one has got 64 megabytes of fast RAM. And it runs at 50 megahertz. 40 megahertz, 50 megahertz. If we go into sysinfo, they will score about the same. This one has 1 megabyte MapRob function. You can do it on software with this, but this one is on hardware level, automatic, plug and play. So it runs at 40 megahertz, but it scores the same. It's a super fast card. I love it. People has got trouble with the 1233, 1234 issues, some different issues, blah, blah, blah. This one, the old one, this is so simple made. This one, the 1232N, if you can find one of these, buy them. Rock solid. I love them. I also have old 30 cards, but I'm not a fan of the old ones. I like the new ones. But took off the turbo fire. Let's install this one. All right, I took out the 1230 turbo fire, installed ACA 1232. Just didn't touch here, didn't touch anything else. Just replaced the Accelerator card and did nothing else. Why? Because of these pictures. Alan wrote that this card was missing a ground on the CPLD. That could be the issue. I didn't know anything about it, so I just replaced to another Accelerator card. I thought the problem was here on the Amiga, something here on the cards, but now I just replaced the Accelerator card and nothing else. Look at this. Look at this. I didn't know this. Now, I don't hate the TF cards. I love them. But it is a known issue. I didn't know about this. So let me just... It has got, you know, on GitHub files where you can fix the issue. Sorry, guys. I was just a bit slow there. So the problem was nothing with the caps, nothing with my CF cards. They are all super nice. Nothing with the IDE to CF adapters. No, nothing like that. And since 2018, this Amiga has been running with this ACA card. So I got this one. I paid €100 and I got the CPU as a present from Screamo. What a great guy. And yeah, the problem started after I installed this one. Oh, guys, if you're a subscriber, this speaker was on top of that speaker. I had mono sound. I just made some room. Now it's in stereo, and the audio separation is mind-blowing. It's wow. Let me just take a bit back. Wow. I love it. Oh, the ground is shaking. Oh. Wow. You can't feel the stereo, but I can. I had this like this for some time now, and it's absolutely amazing. All right, so here on part 2, my issue was only with this. So it's an easy fix. I will fix it, but I just want to share it with you guys because I uploaded part 1. The amount of messages that I got through this beautiful community, it's incredible. You guys are just, I love you guys. So with all the ideas you have given me, I'm so sorry I don't remember them all. I should have written it down, but my videos are not scripted, you know how it is. But wow, man, absolutely wow. So yeah, now you're gonna ask me, Retro Django, we want a sysinfo of, where's the speed? There we go. We want the sysinfo of this 1232 you're talking so sweet about. As you can see, 9,000 dry stones, 1.5 MIPS, 17 times faster than Amiga 600. And it runs at 40 megahertz. Isn't that great? Lovely system. Lovely card. And memory is, as you can see, 126, 1 megabyte, and 2 megabyte chip. And that 1 megabyte is for, what's it called? It's called map ROM, right? So let's just reboot and check that red light blinking ASAP. Wow. So no, recapping was just waste of time. Absolutely waste of time, but it's recap now, who cares? Now it works. So some says that the audio is better when it's recapped, so let's just say to each other that I have better audio now. Yeah, let's see here, what should we take? Shadow. Silkworm has got great music. I know. This AGA game. Skeleton Crew from 1994. AGA, Amiga 1200, recap, core design from January 1995. Everything works. No issues, no nothing. So yeah, this was part 2. And I'm so happy. Everything works. And I still love Turbo 5 cards. But an easy fix should fix the issue that I had. So if you experience the same, check out the picture that I have uploaded here. Great, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the next video. Until next time, watch some other videos, guys. Bye.